Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samo. Today, I'll show you how to sort files by date in Google Drive. Sorting by date makes it easy to find your most recent work or revisit old files quickly. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. Once inside, navigate to the folder or section where your files are stored. At the top right of the file list, you'll see a Sort Options button, which looks like an arrow. You can click on it to open the sorting menu. From here, select Last Modified to organize your files by the most recent changes. This shows your newest work at the top. If you prefer to see files you have worked on recently, or choose Last Opened by Me, which sorts them based on when you last accessed them. You can also choose Last Modified by Anyone if multiple people are collaborating on the files. This option is great for team projects since you'll instantly see the most up-to-date document edited by your co-workers. Once you select your preferred option, Google Drive will instantly rearrange your files according to the date criteria you have chosen. Sorting files by date is quick and effective, and it makes you stay organized, especially if you're handling a lot of documents and need to prioritize your most recent activity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samo for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.